don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavens Auto TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out via penalties. I'm joined by Vuyo.
Sithiwa kunjani mfethu?
Ngiyaphila kunjani bhuti?
I know I'm good mfana. Mina ngithandi ke ukuba mude mfethu. Ngifuna nje ukukhuluma into engiyibone egroundini. Ya ngiqede uyabona. Into yokuqala ithi ngikhulume ngalama team lana afana nabo bo Keswick Stars mfethu. To me is not a shock ukwenzakala into nje. Uyabona I think abafana babheke ukuthi i-Pirates idliwa kanjani. I think maybe they were watching i-lose yabo from Sundowns because abanye abo coach when they want to beat a big team they look at video clips.
Yes.
Yabo.
Yes,
I think coach we-Keswick he looked at a video clip ye-Pagania and Sundowns what okay how to beat i-Pagania nangama tactics
sure,
nama
plans.
Yeah, nama plans. You see, these boys here, they came and they did their homework.
Sure.
They parked the bus,
sure.
They closed the channels, sure. And they managed to beat Pirates.
Yes,
you understand?
Yes,
so, Pirates ibhola leli. Aba understand awuthani abo PSG bayadliwa mfethu yabona abo Arsenal bayadliwa yabona bayeke futhi nokublame abane bethi Chiefs awuthani Sundowns ephumile we are out ngithala ngisho futhi ngithi kuwe isilonda somunye umuntu asihlekwa because ibhola leli yabo so all in all when I'm with no my man no ungangifaki isithibo mina la I'm not there mina ngibheka indaba zomuzi wami mina ipain yami benginepeni ngaba right yabona so mina nje into engifuna ukuyisho nje ukuthi ibhola leli and kwenzakele
sure
so ngikhuluma nje mina ngokuthi labafana laba how did they manage ukudla iBhakania yabona njengoba ngisho ukuthi ucoach ubheke igame yabo ne-Sundowns wabheka ukuthi labantu laba bangadliwa kanjani hence nathi nge-28 if we want to beat Pirates we need to look at how did Keswick beat them and how did Sundowns beat them because of our ama-video clips ayanceda in football you understand ayanceda so thina how are we going to beat Pirates? Mina ngibona ukuthi iPirates singayidla ngoPeterson. Ask me why.
Why, man?
uPeterson una 80 clean sheet rate. 80% clean sheet rate. And 11 clean sheet. So that thing tells you that uPeterson he's the one who can save the Chiefs in the derby. Other than that, net defense Chiefs. If ngedderby ayibi strong hayi mfethu kuzoba nenkinga
kuzoba iproblem
kuzoba inkinga awuthami khona bazobuya bekhala yabona bangakhala or singakhala or kuyoba idraw but mina ukuthi sidle labantu ngikhuluma ngomuntu ongasinceda oyi1 my goalkeeper so kumaBhakania ngithanda ukuthi sorry ngiyabancanywa bayangizala I'm sorry to what happened it's football you win some you lose some no my man
yes or no
On between.
No.